আর কিছু কাপড় দিয়ে দেবো?
Hello. Please join with us. Probably good afternoon to everybody. Probably you have seen the video, pre-recorded video. If there is any doubt regarding those problems, feel free to ask me. Okay, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. Ask me any question. Okay, regarding those video. And this, I think, this interactive session will be fruitful. And you have to join with us because this is also for attendance. Yes. If you have any doubt after giving the attendance, just write down in the chat box. I will give you the answer. Right? Acha, will you please discuss the question in the assignment? No, I cannot discuss because those two questions are actually discussed in this lecture. I have just given you to implement with the help of C coding, right? If there is any problem about the understanding of those two, those three algorithms, then I can tell you. Why are you asking this type of question, Vendrila? You have not seen this video. I have actually discussed that problem, those problems in this video session, right? And those algorithms you have to implement with the help of C code, and that you have to submit within today, right? Indira, uh, do you get it? If you have not seen this, please read this carefully. No problem. See this video carefully, then you can understand, right? Any more doubts? I have given that video yesterday. Yesterday night, possibly at 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock, I can't remember. But, you can see at any time. And also, I have given you the 20 minutes time for today also. That's why I'm in the live chat at 3 p.m. You have to see this, right? All of you are requested to see this video. If you do not understand somewhere, because I am also new in this video recording classes, I always prefer interactive classes, right? I don't know whether this video is uh, purely understandable by you or not. I don't know. That's why this live chat session is there. Right. Nilabhra Adhikari, assignment submitted. That means we have seen the video and you have already submitted the assignment. Am I right? Nilabhra Adhikari? If you have done this is a very nice thing for you. You have already submitted the assignment. Nilabhra, yes, I have watched the video and submitted. Nice, nice. Nilabhra, thank you very much for doing this. And it is the self-responsibility. Everyone is requested to see the video. This is out of scope actually, but this will help you in your future. You will see after 2 or 3 years you can see this. This will help you. This thinking procedure, this thinking process will help you. Definitely, I confirm you. I believe that it will help you. Actually, instead of writing the code in the copy, can we type it and submit? Yes, yes. Aishwan, you can do this, but it must be in C language, right? You can type it. Or you can write in your handwritten thing the C code where there may be some syntactical errors, it will not be counted, right? Uh, just if your C code is fine, then it is okay. Okay. Or you want to type it. Okay, okay. You can type it and you can run it, and that copy can be submitted. Ashwan. I want to prepare for GATE. Yes, very nice. But your course is there, this programming for problem solving, and before this year, before I am coming, no, actually, yeah, that means you have to take care from the second year. Actually, second year, from second year, main subjects will be coming, where actually where you are belonging. You maybe from your um, mechanical engineering department or computer science department, right? So start preparing from the second year, but it is very nice if you start from this very first year also. But this uh, algorithm session definitely will help you to, right? Radharaman Jha, definitely it will be useful. You will see later on. Definitely it will be useful for you. Related to computer science. Okay. Any more questions? Okay. Possibly you can understand, and the procedure to understand is this. You take an example. Always take some example and write down every step. Run the every step in your copy with the help of my said algorithms, right? Then it will help you. Any more doubts? Acha. Who are you? Rajdeep Ray. Why are you joining late? Hmm? Radharaman Jha, you are in CSC department. Nice, very nice. I start preparing this. Take some problems. Uh, Net issue. Okay, Rajdeep, no problem. I think you have seen this video. Rajdeep Ray, you have seen this video probably. So after this very live chat session, uh, IM CRP code is there. Video is good. Thank you, Rajdeep Ray. Uh, this is a good inspiration for my point of view because this video recording and it is posted for you. It's the first time. Definitely, it should be improved somewhere, right? So thank you, Rishita Das and Rajdeep Ray. Thank you very much. This is a good inspiration for me, I say. Okay. Right. Consumer cash. Okay. Read this. If you are belonging to this computer science department or IT department, then it will be helpful for your any competitive exam and also for cracking interview. But I want to make some of you in such a way that I could not do BTech from IIT, so I want to do MTech from IIT. Definitely, you can get it. You can get it. Definitely, you can get it because you are very nice students. If you could not do BTech, no problem. You can start from anywhere. There's some of you can. My challenge is if you some uh, take these algorithms in such a way that how the evaluation is coming, what is the naive approach for solving a problem by some algorithm, and what are the good approaches, efficient and more efficient approaches if you do in this way, and for that some combinatorial things will be needed, that like permutation, combination, some more mathematics will be needed, and that can be learned by you, definitely, no problem. And I think you can sit for Google interview, because possibly from there is no record of campusing interview or off campus interview to get a chance in Google, and you take the challenge. Your batch is very nice, and I think you can do this. And my suggestion, take my suggestion, and those people are asking only the quality questions. Those people are not asking what is the definition of this one, what is that, what is this, what do you mean by RAM, what do you mean by this cache. But it is needed. You have to know this. But some quality things will be needed, whether some problem will be given to you by Google interview board, and you just solve it. They'll give you more time. In fact, they will give you in one day also for solving this. But do this. And if the thinking from your side is something different, then you will be selected. And there are 6 round interviews, right? 5 or 6 round interviews as a dream. Yes, getting placed in Google is a dream, but I want to make you are not the bad student. Don't think yourself bad, right? You are very nice student. Do you just try to do this? Rest, छोड़ो, इसको होने दो कुछ भी, right? Okay, already 15 minutes over. If there is any more questions related to this or something else, I'm waiting for you for extra 3 to 4 minutes, right? How can I learn about cyber security? And whether you just stay safe. Thank you, Rajdeep. Acha, Aman, Anmol, how do you learn about cyber security? What do you know about any security thing? How the security can be measured? You have to learn first security, then you can go for cyber security. Security means this that security consists of many things. It may be the everything. Suppose one message has been transferred to you. Suppose I am telling you something and you are receiving something. So this analog thing, that means this analog thing is converted into a digital form, and some sub packets will be needed to transfer via some media, and those packets are actually encoded, and then in your end it is decoded, and some in between this network some security will be there, right? You have to know how to transfer one, how to transfer securely from one end to other end. So you have to know the security thing, then you can go to the cyber security thing. Acha, how do equation means? I cannot get you. Um, how do you find out the time complexity of particular equation, or Dhritesh Bhagat, can how do you find out the complexity of particular equations? Uh, oh, a particular equation means uh, n times the loop is running. Every you see this. We are in your class. I just remember this. When we are only concerned about how many times the loop is running. That means within a loop there must be some contents. It may be plus or person. It may be some expressions. There may be some equations. And those things within the body are actually taken as the constant time. Because this is fixed. This is fixed. For if there is some more multiplication, suppose there are 10 multiplications. That means if there are n loops, n times the loop will be running, and in every loop 10 multiplications are there. Then how many times the multiplications will be done? That is 10n. So how do we express this 10n in terms of complexity? Can you remember? Order of 10n or order of n? It is actually order of n, because any complexity C taken as order of n. As in the test you gave right now. What I have given this test, you give right now. Whether I have done some mistake in the giving the assignment or test. Particular equation. Oh, acha, acha. Or that is about acha, acha. Give the exam. There is not. That is not equation. That is expression actually, right? And there are some equations. Those are doing the recurrence classes in C programming. Then I will give you those complex. Possibly there is some mistakes to understand those fully. That I mean, what I want to. This is clear. It is not equal. Ditesh Angshman, you need to stay home. Ha, any more questions? And again, those who have not seen this video, please see this again for you only. And if you don't understand, try to interact with your friends who have understood this. Otherwise, you can mail me. I can make you the understand in some later time or some anyway. You can do, right? Okay. Yes, yes, yes. You can go. Trying to finish now, Rosna, to interact with me. Okay. Do this IMCRP test online and complete this assignment within